गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण पाहिलं रिएक्शन इन्व्हॉल्विंग ब्रेकिंग ऑफ OH बॉन्ड फ्रॉम अल्कोहोल. टुडे वी विल सी अगेन सेम केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑफ अल्कोहोल, but second type of reaction, that is B type of reaction involving breaking of CO bond. ओके, CO बॉन्डचं ब्रेकिंग म्हणजे अल्कोहोल जर असेल तर आपण मागच्या लेक्चर मध्ये पाहिलं होतं ROH. So in the previous lecture we see that there is breaking of this OH bond, but in today's lecture we will see breaking of ROH cell, then breaking of this carbon and oxygen. R means in presence of any alkyl group, that is this oxygen is attached to the carbon atom. So breaking of this carbon and oxygen bond. Okay, further reaction involving breaking of CO bond. In case of breaking of this CO bond, we know that first reaction here we see. In this first reaction, that is reaction with hydrogen halide. याच्यात पाहणार आपण reaction with hydrogen halide. Reaction with hydrogen halide. So what is hydrogen halide? It is nothing but that hydrogen and attachment of halogen. So Hi, HBr, HCl or HF, they are called as the hydrogen halide. So we know that the reactivity of hydrogen iodide is much more than that of HBr, and HBr is much more reactive than that of HCl. Here we can't use that HF because HF itself it is highly corrosive in nature, and suppose it is used in the reaction, so it corroded our reactant product or that reactant, and that's why product obtained it is a corroded product, therefore it is avoided. त्याच्यामुळे फक्त आपण घेतो Hi, HBr and HCl. So this is the reactivity order of hydrogen halide. Hydrogen iodide is more reactive than hydrogen bromide. Hydrogen bromide is more reactive than hydrogen chloride. Okay, so this is the just reactivity order. And this hydrogen halide when react with alcohol molecule, so what happened? Again alcohol shows its reactivity. There are three types of alcohol. We know that. Which alcohol? Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So again alcohol show their reactivity. We know that the reactivity order of alcohol is what? Tertiary alcohol is more reactive than secondary alcohol, which is more reactive than primary alcohol. Okay, so this is the reactivity order of alcohol and this is the reactivity order of hydrogen halide. These are the reactivity order. Both are the reactivity order. These are the reactivity order of hydrogen halide and these are the reactivity order of alcohol molecule. So in that reaction with hydrogen halide we see the three types of reaction. First with hydrogen chloride, then hydrogen bromide and lastly we will see with the hydrogen iodide. आता hydrogen chloride ची reactivity सगळ्यात कमी आहे. Therefore that hydrogen chloride required the catalyst to carry out the reactions. As compared to hydrogen chloride, HBr is more reactive, therefore it doesn't require catalyst. It only required on heating or simply on boiling we can prepare the product. And in case of hydrogen iodide itself it is much more reactive, therefore it doesn't require any catalyst. समजते इथपर्यंत? पहिली रिएक्शन पाहता रिएक्शन विथ हायड्रोजन क्लोराइड. त्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट रिएक्शन विथ HCl, hydrogen chloride. Pahata reaction with hydrogen chloride. So before seeing that reaction with hydrogen chloride, we see first general reaction. Simply hydrogen halide जर अल्कोहोल सोबत रिएक्ट झाला तर काय मिळणार? पहिले जनरल रिएक्शन पाहून घेऊ, नंतर वन बाय वन रिएक्शन स्टडी करू आपण. पहा अल्कोहोल, it is written as ROH. It is known as alcohol. When alcohol is react with hydrogen halide HX, okay, in presence of any suitable catalyst or simply on heating, what we get? RO, bond break towards oxygen. OH negative, R positive. HX, halogen is more reactive than that of hydrogen, or a halogen is most electronegative, and therefore that bond break towards halogen, X negative and H positive. So this H positive and OH negative, H2O get removed, H positive and OH negative, and R is directly attached to the halogen. So we get here Rx plus H2O. It is called as alkyl halide. So any alkyl halide we can prepare by this simple reaction. Okay, पाहता समजलं इथपर्यंत. फर्स्ट रिएक्शन बघूयात आपण, रिएक्शन विथ हायड्रोजन क्लोराइड. फर्स्ट रिएक्शन विथ HCl, hydrogen chloride. So this reaction takes place in presence of catalyst anhydrous ZnCl2, zinc chloride च्या presence में. Simply we can see here, first take primary alcohol example, then secondary, then tertiary. Suppose primary alcohol CH3 CH2OH called as ethyl alcohol, or it is the example of primary alcohol. Okay, so when ethyl alcohol is react with HCl, concentrate HCl, hydrogen chloride, reaction takes place in presence of catalyst anhydrous ZnCl2. So in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, now concentrate HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2 get combined and form a reagent called as Lucas reagent. So simply we can also say that when alcohol is react with Lucas reagent, okay, combination of these two get formation of a Lucas reagent. Here inside the bracket we can write down this, concentrate HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2 gives, or it is nothing but what? Lucas reagent. It is called as Lucas reagent, LUCAS, Lucas reagent. So when alcohol is react with HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, what we get again? Carbon O. So bond break towards oxygen, OH negative, carbon positive. Here H positive, Cl negative. Again this H2O molecule get removed and Cl is attached to the positively charged carbon atom. So we get CH3, CH2, single bond with chloride. So we get CH3, CH2, Cl plus loss of water molecule. So here formation of ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. This anhydrous ZnCl2 and simply on heating. Okay. So this is primary alcohol. Its reactivity is low. Therefore, it required catalyst anhydrous ZnCl2, and on heating, it will give us ethyl chloride. Second reaction is secondary alcohol. Suppose we take example CH3, CHOH, CH3 called as isopropyl alcohol, or it is the example of secondary alcohol. It is known as isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. So it is the example of secondary alcohol. When secondary alcohol is react with HCl, now it is much more reactive than that of primary alcohol. Therefore, it doesn't require heat. Only in presence of that what catalyst anhydrous ZnCl2, it will give us formation of an corresponding alkyl halide. So in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, simply it will give us again carbon O. So bond break towards OH, OH negative and carbon positive. here H positive and Cl negative. So here loss of this H positive and this OH negative, H2O get removed and chlorine is attached to the secondary carbon. Therefore we get CH3CH, then Cl, then single bond with CH3. That is formation of isopropyl chloride. So here formation of CH3CH, Cl, CH3 plus H2. It is called as isopropyl chloride. Okay. Next, third example. Suppose we take the example of tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol is written as CH3C, CH3, CH3OH. It is called as tertiary butyl alcohol. It is known as what? Tertiary butyl alcohol, and it is the example of tertiary alcohol. We know that tertiary alcohol is much more reactive. सगळ्यात जास्त reactive कोण आहे? Tertiary alcohol. So tertiary alcohol doesn't require any catalyst. Simply this tertiary alcohol is react with HCl. Okay, tertiary alcohol, it is react with HCl and only at room temperature. Okay, only at room temperature. What happened? At room temperature, RT is known as what? Room temperature. So at room temperature what happened again? Carbon OH, so bond break towards oxygen, so OH negative and carbon positive. Here HCl, H positive and Cl negative. So look at here, that bond break towards OH, OH negative, carbon positive. Here H positive and Cl negative. So at room temperature ला काय होईल? There is loss of this OH negative and H positive, H2O get removed and Cl is attached to this carbon atom, tertiary carbon atom. So we get CH3, C, CH3, CH3, Cl plus loss of H2O. So it is called as tertiary butyl chloride. There is a formation of a tertiary butyl chloride. समजलं इथपर्यंत? Simple reaction है. Only loss of H2O, H positive, OH negative. OH negative alcohol, alcohol पासून OH negative remove होणार आणि HCl पासून H positive. So H positive, OH negative, H2O get removed and simply this nucleophile is attached to that positively charged carbon atom. That is, one nucleophile is substituted by another nucleophile. So it is also known as what? Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, understand this one? समजलं इथपर्यंत? काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे? तिन्ही रिएक्शन्स लिहून घ्या. सिंपल रिएक्शन आहे. प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल, देन सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल and then there is the tertiary alcohol. ठीक आहे? समजलं इथपर्यंत? काही प्रॉब्लेम? Okay. Next, second reaction, that is reaction with HBr. Similar reaction like that of HCl. HCl सारखाच reaction है. Only instead of HCl we use here HBr, and there is no catalyst is used here. Okay. So we see that reaction after that. समजले इथपर्यंत? Next part. Reaction with HBr. Again that same example, primary, secondary and tertiary. So second it is small b, that is reaction with HBr. Now we know that reactivity order of HBr. HBr is more reactive than HCl. Therefore HCl required catalyst, but this HBr doesn't require the catalyst. So here when primary alcohol, again same example, CH3, CH2, OH. Primary alcohol is react with HBr. Now simply on heating, फक्त heat करणार त्याला. On heating, what happened again? Bond break towards OH. OH negative, carbon positive. Here H positive, Br negative. So loss of this H positive and OH negative, H2O get removed. And Br is attached to the carbon atom. So there is formation of CH3, CH2, Br. So here formation of CH3, CH2, Br called as ethyl bromide. Called as ethyl bromide with the loss of water molecule. Statement is again very simple. खूप सिंपल स्टेटमेंट आहे. आपण सिंपली म्हणू शकतो when ethyl alcohol react with hydrogen bromide on heating it gives formation of ethyl bromide with the loss of water molecule. ठीक आहे. सेकंड रिएक्शन सेम याच्यासारखी सेकंड रिएक्शन आहे सेकंडरी अल्कोहोलची. CH3 CH OH single bond CH3. It is the example of secondary alcohol or it is also called as isopropyl alcohol. So when secondary alcohol is react with HBr again on heating, फक्त त्याला काय करणार आपण heat. On heating what happened? H positive Br negative. परत H positive from HBr and OH negative from alcohol. So H2O get removed and Br is attached to the secondary carbon atom. So we get CH3 CH Br single bond with CH3 with the loss of water molecule. So it is called as isopropyl bromide. It is known as isopropyl bromide. It required boiling, heating. Now sign is same. Heating just sign दिलेला आहे, but it required much more boiling. It required somewhat less heating, and tertiary alcohol is just react with that and required some amount of heating there or at room temperature. So that tertiary alcohol. तीसरे example पहा CH3C CH3 CH3OH called as tertiary butyl alcohol. Or it is the example of a tertiary alcohol. When tertiary alcohol is react with HBr, so reaction takes place at room temperature. Reaction room temperature ला होईल किंवा it will require somewhat less amount of heating. So at room temperature again what happened here? This bond break towards OH, therefore OH negative and carbon positive. HBr is present there. So H positive, Br negative. Again here loss of H positive from HBr and OH negative from alcohol. H2O get removed. परत Br attached will positively charge carbon atom. तर काय भेटणार आपल्याला CH3 C CH3 CH3 and single bond with Br, that is tertiary butyl bromide. So here formation of CH3 C CH3 here CH3 single bond with Br called as tertiary butyl bromide. It is known as what? Tertiary butyl bromide with the loss of water molecule. परत water molecule get removed. समजली रिएक्शन? काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे इथपर्यंत? प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल, सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल, टर्शरी अल्कोहोल. समजा टर्शरी अल्कोहोलचं जर स्टेटमेंट लिहायचं असेल तर कसं लिहिसाल? येस, व्हेरी गुड. व्हॉट? वेन टर्शरी ब्युटिल अल्कोहोल इज रिएक्ट विथ HBr at room temperature on heating, somewhat heating there, and gives formation of tertiary butyl bromide with the loss of water molecule. Okay? Understand this topic? Okay, next reaction, that is reaction with HI. It will see in the next lecture. Happy learning.